Good day, I'm Stephen McHugh, and this is your JIS News for Friday, March 29. Government is giving the public an opportunity to have input in the terms of reference that will direct the forensic audit of oil losses at PetroJam. The Energy Ministry released a statement yesterday saying public comments or feedback would be accepted up to April 30. The terms of reference document can be accessed via the Ministry's website at mset.gov.jm. The forensic audit was ordered by Prime Minister Andrew Holness in response to the Auditor General's report of December 2018, which highlighted unaccountable oil losses at the refinery over a 5-year period. The report noted that PetroJam did not provide evidence that it analyzed the sources of unaccountable oil losses, with a view to better assess and address the problem. The forensic audit is aimed at quantifying the oil losses at PetroJam for the period April 1, 2012 to March 31, 2018. It should also establish the reasons for the losses and recommending mechanisms to address those. Questions, comments, and feedback on the terms of reference can be submitted to oillassaudit@mset.gov.jm or info@mset.gov.jm. The National Family Planning Board, NFPB, has launched an initiative to reduce the number of HIV/AIDS cases in Jamaica. The Positive Health, Dignity and Prevention (PHDP) framework and annual implementation plan was launched on Monday. It will assist persons living with the human immunodeficiency virus, HIV.
We anticipate a decline in HIV, but also the enhanced capacity of persons living with the virus to contribute positively to the growth and the wealth of their local community and country.
Under the pilot phase of the initiative, persons living with HIV were recruited and trained in 17 modules of the Positive Health, Dignity and Prevention (PHDP) curriculum. Participants were also monitored and assessed to build their capacity for community representation in the HIV response, which supports the Ministry's Test, Treat and Stay initiative.
And so far, we're seeing the benefits from the participation of people living with the virus in facility-based treatment teams to improve access for key populations and the provision of informal peer support and community outreach to empower the PLHIV to remain in treatment.
The Positive Health, Dignity and Prevention framework is supported by a grant through the USAID President's Emergency Plan for AIDS Relief. 35,904 diagnosed cases of HIV infections have been reported between January 1982 to December 2017 in Jamaica. Plans are in place by government for a hemp cultivation project in the Maroon community of Accompong, St. Elizabeth. During the pilot phase, 50 acres of the plant will be cultivated for use as raw material in a variety of commercial products. The news was revealed by Minister without portfolio in the Ministry of Industry, Commerce, Agriculture and Fisheries, J.C. Hutchinson. He was addressing the Culture Ministry's recent Economic Opportunities Workshop and grant handover ceremony.
We are going to see if we can have the two of them growing side by side. It's a pilot project which we are going to start out in big round, and once we get that going, we're going to plant out the whole of it with hemp. You get more money out of hemp than ganja. You get the oil. Anybody know about hemp rope? You have hemp rope. It can make. You have it as animal feed. And it can make all sorts of other items from the hemp.
Minister Hutchinson says the proposed venture will complement the Alternative Development Program that was implemented in Accompong and other communities earlier this month. The program provides small-scale farmers with a channel through which to benefit from the cannabis industry and aims to prevent and eliminate illicit ganja cultivation. The program was previously initiated in Orange Hill, Westmoreland. Services at the Chapelton Community Hospital in Clarendon will be temporarily relocated to the Summerfield Community Center as of Monday. This is to facilitate further renovation works at the hospital, which started in early 2018. Pharmacy services will be provided on a drop-off and pick-up basis for patients seen at the health center. Prescriptions will be collected from patients on Mondays and delivered on Tuesdays, and also collected on Wednesdays and delivered on Thursdays. Persons who normally use Chapelton can access services at the Lioneltown and Maypen hospitals, as well as other health facilities in the parish. And finally, Prime Minister Andrew Holness has expressed sadness at the death of a staff member at the Ministry of Education, Youth and Information. Sasika Phillips reportedly collapsed around the wheels of her motor vehicle shortly after arriving at work on Wednesday morning. The Prime Minister, whose office recently assumed oversight of the ministry, says he stands with the team in getting through this difficult period.
It is a must that we grieve and express our emotions with ourselves and with others, because that is a part of the process of coming to grips with these unexpected events in our lives.
Ms. Phillips was a staff member of the Internal Audit Division at the ministry's Hero Circle headquarters. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Stephen McHugh. Thanks for watching.